Hey, how's it going? We're just kneeling on something not nice. It's the 27th of June. It's 1:10 in the afternoon. I've just filmed a video. I need to edit another one. And then I need to go pick the kids up from school. It's been roasting here for like a week. And then the last 2 days have actually been quite nice. It's a little bit chilly today even, which I'm very much enjoying. I have got my shorts on. I bought these shorts last year and I couldn't actually get them over my thighs. And now they are massive and I should probably sack them off because they're like 3 or 4 sizes too big for me now. But I want to wear them because I bought them, but they're just too big. I'm trying to shrink them, but it's not working. I put them in the tumble dryer. I don't know whether to try and put them on a really hot wash. I'm not really sure if that will work or if that's just like an old wives' tale, but that is what I'm going to do. I'm meant to be seeing my friend Lizzie today, but she's poorly. So I did a little food shop this morning and then came home, did a bit of tidying for the viewing that just happened on the house. Turned out it was actually a couple of the school mums that I knew, so that was nice. But whether or not they buy the house is a completely different thing. Yeah, I'm gonna just edit and piss around this afternoon. I've got Fox at home tomorrow. Thursday my mum will be here and it's Foxy's sports day at nursery, which I imagine is going to be hilarious. And then Ari's got a transition day because she's going to junior school in September, so she gets to go there on Thursday. And then I think Mika's going on a school trip on Thursday. So there's lots happening. I'm having to like write stuff down because there's so much happening with the kids at the minute with like transition days and stay and plays and trying to remember everything. So I'm having to write it all down just because I'm getting a bit confused. The house is still for sale. And yeah, I've had a lot of viewings, but just no one wants to buy it. I don't know whether that's just for the market or what, but so for now me and the kids are still here. I do want to move. I don't want to be here anymore. I want to leave this house, but it's not that simple. So just put it in my mouth and it just fell out. That's how today is. I slept on a cat poo this morning. I was making all the lunches and Ari, I had my flip-flops on. Ari came in and was like, "What's that?" And Gary had a bit of shit just fall off his ass onto the floor and I hadn't seen it and just all around the kitchen with my flip-flops. So that's kind of like a precursor to how the day was going to go, and then I've just dropped cheese on the floor. So yeah. I've got another, this was the mystery mystery gift box company, the one I've just unboxed. That video will be before this one. And then I've got a back snackers box coming. I think that's coming tomorrow, so then that video will be up in a couple of days. Both PR. I haven't paid for them because I have fuck all money. So yeah, it's nice to have a little bit of PR. I've not had any for a while, so it's very, very appreciated. I have got I'm gonna order a box of goth when I do get some money because I've been chatting and yeah, I really want one and I miss unboxing them, so I'm trying to push this because I need to earn some money and I keep trying to get a job, and I apply for jobs that say home working and then I apply for it and then they ring me and be like, "Yeah, it's 4 days in the office," and I'm like, I can't do that. I can't have any childcare. And yeah, so I'm trying to find a job. If anyone knows of a job that I can do from home, hit me up because I am desperate. And don't suggest OnlyFans because I'm not brave enough. I have one, just not brave enough to do anything on it. So that's off the table for now. Yeah, any suggestions on ways to make money that don't cost a fuck ton of money? Like, because some things you can, they'll be like, yeah, you can make loads of money and then you have to spend loads of money to earn loads of money, and I just haven't got any money to spend. So to earn money without spending money, hit me with your ideas. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get a drink. Hi, it's Friday, the 30th of June. I'm about to try and mow the lawn for the first time in my entire life. I've never ever used a lawnmower, but I have viewings this weekend. So, wish me luck. Oh, fuck me. That's like my least favourite job ever. I can only do to the pool because I haven't got an extension lead and it won't go any further, so I feel like that's not too bad a job for my first time. But my fucking hands hurt and I hate it. I don't like it at all. But it had to be done, so yay me. I don't know. I went out last night and hands-free cat apparently missed me. Did you miss your mummy? I left them yesterday afternoon and then came back this afternoon, and my neighbour came in to see them, but I think he missed me. Oh, hi. I thought I'd do a little bit of an update on this vlog. Today is the 3rd of July. I've just been to Mika's sports day. But the house is sold. It sold on Saturday and it's cash buyers, so it's probably going to go quick, which means that me and the kids are going to be moving. So expect a lot of packing content and looking for house content, and my glasses are so dirty, it's like looking through a cloud. I'm just going to clean them on the curtains, don't judge. The kids went to Ben's, or they went to Ben's mum's this weekend because that's where he lives. And they went to the beach yesterday, I think. I went to see a friend and that was really fun. What else? I've now got a snack box to film, back snackers, so I'm going to do that now. I don't know whether this will be up before that, I'm not sure. I think this one will be up tomorrow or Wednesday. This week's really busy because today was sports day. Tomorrow Aria is off on a school trip to a zoo. Wednesday's a strike. Thursday she's going to her new school for the day, and then Friday's a strike. And then Saturday she's got a birthday party. Sunday Mika's got a birthday party. So it's a little bit crazy this week, but we are on the run up to the summer holidays. Yeah, it should be good, but I don't know how much I'm going to film this week just because there's such a lot on. And then Wednesday I'm going to have Ari and Fox all day. Friday I'm going to have Ari and Fox all day. I don't know what day they're going to the dad's this weekend. And yeah, life just feels a little bit crazy at the moment, so I'm trying to take it day by day, because when the house sold I like had an initial panic of like, what the fuck are me and the kids gonna do, because we're gonna have to go into rented, but no one wants to rent a house to someone with 4 cats, so I'm not entirely sure how it's gonna work, but I will keep you posted. I am now gonna go and film this box, and then I'm gonna have some lunch because it's like, it's 12 o'clock, it's 12 in the afternoon, it's literally just gone 12, and I haven't eaten yet today because I was ridiculously busy this morning with the school run. So then I had to go and have my smear test. Go and get a smear test if you need one, everybody. Wasn't that bad, she was really nice. And then I had to go straight to sports day, and then sports day was like 2.5 hours long. It was a really, really long one, and I left before the end. But Mika seemed to have fun. She did long jump, which was really cute, and then tug of war and rounders, but I missed the rounders because I was at the doctor's, but she said she had fun. So yeah, I'm gonna go and film this and I will talk to you later on in the week. I love you, bye.